I took my evolutionary leap out of a deep sense of discontent and discomfort with my current circumstances, and an equally deep knowing that there was more that I could have. For me, metaphysics and NLP helped me to trust in the unseen and quell the anxiety of my logical mind that always asked the question, why? So I could make sense of it, not just go on blind faith. I think my specific aha moment was when I realized that all the experiences that were causing me pain and grief were all a reflection of my inner state of mind, and that if I wanted something different, it was up to me.
As a leader and in life, sometimes our only mode of transportation is a leap of faith. I recently made that leap into the unknown, into uncertainty, but I did so with confidence. How? Because I am absolutely certain of who I am, and I'm confident in my ability to meet life head on.
For me, evolutionary leaps come out of despair and doubt, impatience and confusion, and they trigger me to claim the impossible and my heart's song. In life and as leading light, my key to leap is my unwavering trust in the mystic and my grit to stick with it. This is how I came here. Trust for me is knowing that I can walk my truth in my highest vibe. My mystic fire within burns without reason, but for the magic that wants to be. Explore with me how we can unlock your unique trust and grit. Let's play and leap beyond and into your wildest dreams together.
For me to leap out of my limitations and rational mind is not easy, as they can hold me tight. But when I see the unseen so clear in the sky or nature, I remember I have free access to the impossible, my magic and my mystic realms. As a leader and in life, I thrive when I can invoke synergy, beauty and courage in others to create together, clearly beyond my limitations. It is here that my creativeness, the courage and sense of beauty awake. I am excited to explore with you how to break your limitations to see the light beyond, the beauty and synergy in the infinite source and fields of the impossible. Can't wait to play and leap with you.